Good wishes, dear students. In this part of class 10th English 2, we will discuss the settings of lesson 2, that is Old Man at the Bridge. Old Man at the Bridge, in earlier parts already we have studied about the author, story in detail, the title and the characterization. Now, themes also we have gone through in our earlier parts. Only setting and style and critical remarks are left, so that we will discuss in this part. Setting of Old Man at the Bridge. Unlike many other stories of Hemingway, where he maintains a certain anonymity about the location of the story, Old Man at the Bridge is set in a war zone at a pontoon bridge across the Ebro River during the Spanish Civil War on an Easter Sunday. This place is 12 kilometers away from the town of San Carlos in Spain, as described by the old man in the story. The scene takes place in a typical war zone with the movement of vehicles and civilians fleeing across the pontoon bridge to protect themselves from the impending attack by the enemy troops. So, the setting of the story is about the war, Spanish Civil War, which took place, and enemies of which were belonging to Nazism, which they were following, were Nazisms, that were Hitler followers, were approaching towards this Spain, and the whole story is depicted near the pontoon bridge at the Ebro River. Here civilians were fleeing or running across this bridge to go to the safe place. So there is a reference to the mule-drawn carts and the soldiers helping the people with their carts struggling to get across the pontoon bridge. Mule-drawn carts, mule is animal just like horse, and they drive carts. So soldiers were helping these people who were coming with mule-drawn carts to cross this pontoon bridge and up the steep bank on the other side of the river. The mule-drawn carts staggered up the steep bank of the bridge with soldiers helping push against the spokes of the wheels. So these lines are depicting the scene of war. There is dust all around with the trucks of the army moving away from the place. The peasants had to move with difficulty in the ankle-deep dust. The main purpose of Hemingway in describing this frantic effort seems to contrast them with the immobility of the old man. But the old man, he wrote at the end of the first paragraph of the story, sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. Every youngsters were running away to reach the safe place, but here, on which the story is depicted, was about the old man who was quietly sitting at the bridge, and he was too old to move away from there. He was tired because he has crossed 12-kilometer path. Hemingway has successfully built the tense situation befitting a war zone by writing simple language by the soldier. It was Easter Sunday and the fascists were advancing towards the Ebro. It was grey overcast day with a low ceiling so that planes were not up. So these lines are depicting the atmosphere, the scene of the story. Dusts, everywhere were dust, mule-drawn carts were passing away, army trucks were coming. Okay, all these were the words which were used in this story to draw a clear picture of war zone. Thus, Hemingway has captured the true picture of war and its effect without a single shot being fired or a drop of blood being spilled in this story of a nameless old man at a pontoon bridge. Nowhere it has been shown that fire was going on or bloodshed occurred. But such a situation was created that it automatically generated the scene in front of reader's mind that it was a war zone and everyone was running to protect from enemies, and they were running to the safe place. The horror scene of the war has been brought very prudently by Hemingway. So the style which has been used in this story is narration. The story is told in the first person with a young soldier as the narrator. It is basically a conversational style that has been used. The story is narrated from the young soldier's point of view, and it is he who makes the reader see the old man through careful description, use of dialogue and commentary on the old man. In fact, it is the narrator's conversation with the nameless old man which allows the old man to have a voice, the voice of helpless war victims. As the old man speaks to the young soldier, the readers get to understand the plight of the man and the mute animals in the war situation. So they were describing about the pets, they were describing about the war, the situation, the political situation, how the society become victim of it. So they, with the discussion between soldier and this old man, every scene was getting clear in the story. The narrator's fear of the approaching enemy has been used to create the dramatic tension between the immobility of the old man and impending destruction, as the narrator, while talking to the old man, constantly observes the movement of carts across the bridge. Hemingway has followed the unity of time, place and action. The action of the story is confined to the war zone at the pontoon bridge across the Imbro River on an Easter Sunday. So on a holy day, this scene took place and war was going on this holy day, that was Easter Sunday. The writer has presented two main characters, and the action of the story is restricted to the conversation between these two characters. Name was not revealed of the old man as well as of the soldier, but their identity was very clear to the reader. Okay, so the situation which Hemingway has brought through this story, Old Man at the Bridge, was clearly depicted by the Hemingway in front of the readers. So next thing, irony and symbolism, the Imbro River, animals, bridge. So this we will study in our next part. Okay, thank you students.